Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. The asset was seen trading below the 20 small mark, which signified that sellers regained the price momentum in the market. After witnessing a death cross, as the 50 small line was over the 20 small line last week, the coin continued its downtrend. The volume of Dogecoin also flashed a decline along with the past two trading sessions, closing in red as seen on the chart. Fear index continues to look grim for most of March so far. The market barely witnessed any buying strength. The coin has tried to bring in buyers in the past 24 hours, however it failed to hold its momentum. The relative strength index reflects the same reading as the indicator slowly crept below the half line at press time, indicating a selling strength again. The directional movement index was also negative, which reaffirmed that buying momentum was on a decline as the die was above the die line. The average directional index also showed declining strength, as it meant that the market could head into a price consolidation phase over the upcoming trading sessions. Fear index of Dogecoin scored a 22, which corresponds to extreme fear on the index. This reading signaled that buyers were scared to buy the asset, and that the asset's price momentum was bearish in nature. These ATMs, which number up to 1,800, allow users to be able to purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at their convenience by using a debit card or just buying them with cash. With the announcement from Bitcoin of America, Dogecoin has now joined the line of cryptocurrencies that can be purchased at these machines. Previously, customers could only purchase Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, the last of which had support added last year in October. Dogecoin now joins this list, bringing the meme coin closer to millions of investors around the country. These universal kiosks are available in over 31 states in the country, serve a good portion of the US crypto population. Such a move on the part of a large player in the Bitcoin ATM space, or BTMs, is nothing short of incredible news for the meme coin, making it onto the list ahead of other big players such as Cardano, Tether, and even Shiba Inu, its fiercest competitor. Price response: prior to the announcement, the price of Dogecoin had been struggling. Although it had moved in tandem with the market during the recent recovery, it did not really record the better part of the surge until after the news from Bitcoin of America had dropped. Term investment play. Musk has shown hints of his belief in crypto's potential in the past. On May 19, after the market crashed on exhaustion and fears of China's Bitcoin mining ban, he memorably posted a tweet to say that Tesla has diamond hands, as a hint that it would be holding on to the Bitcoin it holds on its balance sheet. He's also previously been filmed saying that he thinks that crypto has a good shot at becoming the future currency of Earth. This kind of behavior is surprising, since these whales used to be very active during the initial rally of November, and since they also occupy almost 50% of the entire Doge supply, some movement is expected out of them. But just like the retail investors, they once cared to be active during an opportune moment. The reason behind this spike could have simply been the 5-day-long rally Dogecoin noted over the week since, on the developmental front, the meme coin continues to stay true to its nature by doing nothing new. The price action, on the other hand, after failing to break the previous downtrend wedge, continued to remain stuck under the downtrend, attempting a breakout after a month. Although the possibility of the altcoin achieving it seems to be very slim. And even if Doge does test it as support, the coin has the long-standing resistance of $0.192 in its way before a recovery could begin in a true sense. Plus, the coin will need more than just cues from the broader market, since such signals haven't been particularly effective in the past. Furthermore, price indicators aren't displaying bullish at 9% from a year ago, the highest level in more than 40 years. Dogecoin accumulation is net positive. Dogecoin's top holders appear to be scooping up tokens at a discount amid the present market volatility concerning the short-term price action for cryptocurrencies. It might be worth noting that every market cycle has an accumulation phase, during which prices flatten and contrarian investors see an opportunity to buy at a discount. As per into the block data, Dogecoin whales have become more active over the last 24 hours as the number of large transactions rose by 81%. Spikes in large transactions often point to high activity among institutional players, or whales, who are either buying or selling. Dogecoin profitability, per into the block data, remains at 53%. More addresses in the money are expected to be beneficial to the network because holders are less inclined to sell to break even on their positions. And last news today about Elon Musk won't sell his Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Elon Musk still holding crypto. Elon Musk is holding on to his portfolio of crypto assets amid soaring inflation rates. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO took to Twitter late Sunday to ask his 77.7 million followers what they thought of the probable inflation rate over the years ahead. When MicroStrategy CEO and known Bitcoin evangelist Michael Saylor weighed in to say that he thought yes, inflation would increase, and demand for scarce assets like Bitcoin would surge, Musk responded by acknowledging that Saylor's viewpoint was not entirely unpredictable. He then went on to discuss how holding assets is viewed as a better play than saving cash during periods of high inflation. It is just 5 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.